trick is next. We just keep going and keep figuring out the next new thing. And he is, as you can tell, just a happy boy. He's looking forward and he's interested and he's always looking forward. Even though today he seems to be doing a fair amount of wheeling around, but he hasn't done much of that, so this is pretty good. What are you doing? What a good boy. An awful lot of weeds right along there. I'm not sure how we'll get along with those, but we'll give it a shot. Let's walk. Buster, walk. Boy, when you've got one that's happy and going, sometimes it takes a little bit to shut him down. Buster, whoa. 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 Nope, stop and stand still. Whoa. 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 Good boy. Walk on. And he says, if Nikki's interested in what's in there, I should be too. And you come around. We're coming around, Amy. Nearly lost Doodlebug there. You want to go over there? We can try it. That's a good boy. You're going into the wind, so that'll help with the bugs. This path. Yay. That makes it even better. The hard part for the dogs is there are a lot of goat heads that grow along through here. Maybe early enough that there aren't too many burrs grown on them yet. Berries, they're called. No, we cannot go in the field. You want to trot? You ready for a working trot? Working trot helps with the bugs. What a cheerful boy. This wheat has been cut and harvested, and the next third we come to will be growing cotton. Last year it was milo, so they rotate their crops by thirds in here. We used wheat flour. I might come down and try harvesting that. Volunteer milo or corn. I'm not educated enough to be able to tell you the difference. very happy. It's kind of missing out on its water. You're all right. You're all right. Nope, 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 nope. We are not going to keep up with the dogs. When it really gets exciting is when the dogs go after a rabbit. And the horse wants to go with them. Nope, nope, we are not keeping up with the dogs. Have him in a smooth snaffle, which is nice. It's a Frenchling. So there's a little plate in the middle. It means that there's nothing that just pokes right up into the roof of their mouth, like a two-piece snaffle would do. I don't like those. Nicely. What a good boy. And this will put us back to the road past where all the big rocks are. For a walk. You're grinding down, buddy. That's okay. The cotton is being protected by last year's stalks. They won't use any moisture. They're just providing wind protection this year, which is desperately needed. What a good boy. Uh-oh, pan walk time. Let's walk on. And we're going to go back over to the road. Yeah, I know. What a good boy. It's a lot easier on the solid road, isn't it? Holy shit. Rattlesnake. It stayed to itself. We left it alone. The dogs left it alone. It can... I would just as soon kill it, but I don't know how I would do that with me in the cart and driving a horse, and I don't want to even get into that mess. Suppose I could call Brennan and say, get in the truck, come down here and smash this snake. Cattle are out here somewhere. They're way over there. A half a mile away. Are you ready to trot again? Let's working trot. Buster, working trot. Good boy. I want a nice relaxed working trot. Stay away from that snake. You need a haircut. My goodness. Your butt is all fuzzy.